Hey everyone, good evening. So I'm gonna try and replace this shift knob. As you can see, if you look right up in here, it's kind of weird to handle the camera in here. So the shift knob that goes right here, this thing. Okay, normally there's a knob here so you can change your gear, from park, neutral, reverse drive. Mine is missing. So what I did when it popped out, I saved this piece here. Right, so this is how I drive the car when I got to figure something out because I got to drive the car and I couldn't get it fixed right away. So if I want to start the car, I just take this thing and put it up in here. And this is how I change the gear. It's not driving right now, but it's right up in here. So if if I stop the car without releasing this lever, the power is still gonna be on, so it's gonna drain my battery. So I have to pop it out. See that? So to start the car, put it in here, and that's how I change my gear. Stop, pop it out, that's it. What I'm gonna try and do is pull this whole thing off. So always keep this safe. I need to lift this piece out. I see something shiny. Okay, so alright guys, this is kind of okay, so I got the top up and I see something like a zip tie or something old in here. You see it? Right here. So I'm gonna try to pop that off. Alrighty. Alright, I know that's not the best tool. Let's see. Ice pick and my knife. What I'm gonna do is cut this here. I always keep my knife close because you never know. Huh, I was right. Look at that zip tie. Can't believe you're paying a couple thousands for a zip tie. Let me stop. Let's get to the point. Okay. Let's see. Let me show y'all. This is the new one that I got online. Same exact thing, like this one. See, but this one has a shift knob and this one doesn't. Alrighty. So to get the knob off, press the shift knob and pull it up. Okay, that doesn't work. First, I have to say big up to Ian. I just watched while I'm sitting here, I'm like, this thing was so hard to come off, but he said to listen, give it a really good pull. Because I'm pulling it, but I'm like, I don't want to break anything. And yeah, he was right. Even though he threw a couple of profanities in there, but hey, he was right. Like, give it a really good pull. All right, so this is the new one up in here, and he said to, let me see. I don't know why I'm looking at the camera screen to see what I'm doing when I need to look directly in the knob itself. All right, good. So we said to squeeze it and put it back on. So I've got to try it again. All right, I need to give that a good force. Look at this. God is good. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. You can't go wrong with knowledge. Okay? Knowledge, prayer, like, listen, stay positive. Once you determine, you'll be all that. But look at this. Anyway, I'm so excited. Let me try to put this back together. Let me put this back together. All right, guys, let's go to the Dollar Tree. Let's go get some zip tie. All right. All right, I think this one is perfect, right? All right. Let's see. I'm having all sorts of technical difficulties right now. My lights went out. Whew, okay. All right, guys. So far, so good. All right. So now it's not as tight as before. Yeah. And I drove it to the dollar store to get the zip tie. Everything is working perfectly well. So yeah, all done. All done. And like I said, I went to get, I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's a plier. I don't know what the name of this tool, but I use this to pull the zip tie a little bit, to tighten it. And zip tie from the Dollar Tree. And this is the box that it came in, the knob. So I didn't really need much. And scissors to cut it. I don't know. No, I didn't use that. And my ice pick, and definitely my trusty knife. So yeah, guys, that's it. Thank you again for hanging out with me, for your support and everything. So yeah, I'm happy. Shift knob's all fixed. The old one. Let me find the old one for y'all. Okay. There's the light. Okay. So this is the old one. No knob. So I had to change it. All right, guys. Thank you all again. All right, now bye-bye.